I'd like to call Owais Iqbal Mulk to please come on the stage and express your sentiments. Owais Iqbal Mulk की allocation office management group में हुई है. आपका ताल्लुक लोअर चित्राल से है, खैबर पख्तूनख्वा से. BS Economics पढ़ा है आपने. Huge round of applause.
Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank the God up in the sky for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I've not winced nor cried aloud under the bludgeonings of chance. My head is bloody but unbowed. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. And congratulations to all the qualifiers. It really means a lot to stand here and to celebrate this momentous achievement. It was my third attempt, and like ma'am said, it really means a lot to bounce back after successive setbacks. But somehow I would like to give this credit to Sir Jasra Saab, who reignited the flame and the passion within me for CSS. I had lost this spark back in 2019 when I flunked CSS for the second time. But on a YouTube video, I saw Sir Jasra explaining English essay, and the way he was explaining it really appealed to me. He was deconstructing complex ideas in a very simple manner, and it was at that moment I believed that CSS was not just for the extraordinary ones. Individuals like us can also come forward and achieve this milestone. So thank you, Sir Jasra. Thank you, CSPs Academy. Although I have not been a former student, but I joined the CSPs for the interview, and Sir Jasra, the way he organized some of the best mentors for our guidance and for the interview part as well. So thank you, CSPs Academy, and thank you, Sir Jasra.
इन्हें इनाम देने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी प्रोफेसर GM पिताफी साहब को. हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर हैं. पिताफी साहब, please come forward. Huge round of applause for पिताफी साहब.